Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you on how to bet on MMA. Betting on MMA or mixed martial arts can be an exciting way to engage with the sport, especially with events like UFC fights attracting huge audiences. Here's how you can do it. Start by selecting a reputable online sportsbook that offers MMA betting. Look for sites with competitive odds, a variety of betting options, and user-friendly interfaces. Make sure the platform is legal and licensed in your region. For example, we have here the 1xBet. First, create an account by providing your personal information. Some sportsbook may require verification documents. Take your time to explore their features and bonuses. And once your account is set up, deposit funds using various methods like credit cards, bank transfers, or cryptocurrencies. Ensure that the amount you deposit aligns with your budget for betting. Now, understand betting types. Familiarize yourself with the different betting options available for MMA, such as moneyline bets, betting on which fighter will win, prop bets, bets on specific outcomes like how a fighter will win, knockouts, submissions, or etc., total rounds, betting on whether the fight will go over or under a certain number of rounds. After that, research fighters and matchups. Analyze fighter past performances, styles, and any relevant statistics. Factors like wrestling skills, knockout power, and the record against specific types of opponents can heavily influence fight outcomes. Once you're done with your research, then you can now place your bet. Many platforms offer live betting, allowing you to place bet as the fight unfolds. This can provide opportunities to capitalize on real-time developments. Set a budget for how much you're willing to bet and stick to it. Avoid placing wagers that could jeopardize your financial stability. By following the steps and conducting thorough research, you can increase your chances of making informed bets on MMA fights. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.